put the salt into the bowl. How many scoops? Only need 1 scoop for this recipe of slime. Okay, and be careful not to lick the spoons because it'll be yucky and salty.
Okay, good.
Oh, and you got to stir it up with what's in there?
Glue and salt.
Oh, it's glue. So just mixing the glue and salt at the moment.
Then when it goes in the fridge and we'll pull it out, we'll add some food coloring.
Oh, you're going to add some food colouring as well.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know which one I'm going to use.
What colour are you going to make it?
Really pink.
Nice.
Actually good.
Okay, and roughly how long does it take to make slime?
Probably 2 hours.
2 hours? Oh wow, you're going to need a new videographer. I definitely don't have 2 hours. Any chance we can do it quicker?
I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to make slime.
I'm just going to make slime. I don't care how long it takes. Okay, how's it looking?
A little bit.
Oh, it's getting there. What age do you think kids can make this? 2-year-olds?
5.
You have to be 5, you reckon?
Or 7 or 8 or 10.
Oh, 5 or older. How old are you?
9.
5. Okay, so you can definitely do it if you're a 5-year-old then. You have to be a clever 5-year-old, don't you?
But I know how to make slime so easy.
Okay.
Mama even told me.
What do you prefer doing? Making slime or acro?
Well, making slime because that was cancelled because of coronavirus.
Oh, well then. Because it's cancelled because of coronavirus, but they haven't cancelled making slime, have they?
No.
Lucky.
'Cause it's hard.
What if they cancel making slime? What are we going to do then?
We're just gonna have to make slime with paper.
Oh, pretend slime.
But we're not gonna do that.
Okay, so are we ready for the colouring?
Mama, ready for it?
We're going for pink.
Yeah, it is. Grandma. I mean, Grandma.
And we're going to send it to Grandma.
Okay.
How many drops?
I can't even get it in.
Just a couple.
Mommy, I can't get it in.
There we go. Here it goes.
There. I got it in the board that is okay. What the? Okay.
Interesting.
That is we might need a little bit more salt. See how that works.
Excellent. How long do we need to stir it for, do you think?
Maybe well, this is not even working, but I'll do it.
5 minutes? 1 minute?
Yeah, we need.
Oh, some more salt. Not going to be much salt left at the end of this. What are you adding now, Lacey? Flour. What's the flour going to do?
Make it good.
Make it good? Bit thicker maybe?
A bit thicker.
Okay.
If it's good, I'll make it thicker.
Let's see. How's it
Yeah, we
looking?
need some more.
Oh. Not going to turn into Play-Doh, is it?
It's not.
Okay.
This is so much fun playing with my slime.
Nice. It's like a coconut strawberry slime.
Yep, it is. And I might add some sprinkles in it.
Oh, make it look pretty. Okay, you got to make a snowball with your slime.
I can't do it.
You can. And there we go. done. And what would you like to say at the end of your show?
Thank you, George, because you're the best.
No worries. And do you want people to subscribe to your YouTube channel and watch all your videos?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
Alright. And what's your favourite thing to do every day?
I guess just making slime.
That's it. Just making slime. Say bye.
Bye-bye. That's how we.